Are you looking for the best laptops for Adobe Photoshop in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best laptops for Adobe Photoshop in 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16. The latest Apple MacBook Pro is a complete beast. Capable of running most software with its multi-core performance and advanced integrated graphics, this MacBook model also has a beautiful display that will portray your work's best quality. The size is also perfect for using a pen tablet since a 1/6 display is perfect for photo editing and design work. The battery is what places this model at the very top, with up to 21 hours of battery and 17 hours under high-performance tasks. The MacBook Pro 1/6 is the perfect option not only for portability but for long-lasting work sessions. Apple M1 Pro or M1 Max chip for a massive leap in CPU, GPU, and machine learning performance. Up to 10-core CPU delivers up to 2x faster performance to fly through pro workflows quicker than ever. Up to 32-core GPU with up to 4x faster performance for graphics-intensive apps and games. 16-core neural engine for up to 5x faster machine learning performance. Longer battery life, up to 21 hours. Up to 64 GB of unified memory, so everything you do is fast and fluid. Up to 8 TB of superfast SSD storage. Launches apps and opens files in an instant. Stunning 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range and contrast ratio. 1080p FaceTime HD camera with advanced image signal processor for sharper video calls. 6-speaker sound system with force-canceling woofers. At number 2. Asus ZenBook Pro UX581 laptop. This beautiful device qualifies as the best Windows laptop for Adobe Photoshop not only because of the amazing OLED display but because of the dual screen with nothing less than stylus support with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Definitely a great advantage for creatives and designers. The graphic card and powerful processor are a great addition for Photoshop and any other design software as well as video editing and 3D modeling software. Sadly, the battery is not as great as the rest of this powerful machine, lasting only from 4 to 5 hours under medium performance tasks but with both OLED displays working. A big downside for digital nomads and freelancers, but not so much if you plan on having this laptop constantly plugged in. ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED lets you get things done in style, calmly, efficiently, and with zero fuss. It's your powerful and elegant next-level companion for on-the-go productivity and creativity, featuring an amazing 4K OLED HDR touchscreen. It also includes the Asus ScreenPad Plus secondary 4K display with a brand new tilting design that offers effortless ergonomics and seamless workflows. Powered by up to an Intel Core i9 8-core processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED brings you all the benefits of tomorrow's technology today. The actual transfer speed of USB 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, Gen 1 and 2, and / or Type-C will vary depending on many factors including the processing speed of the host device, file attributes and other factors related to system configuration and your operating environment. Free Windows 11 upgrade eligible devices. Visit Asus Windows 11 website for more information. At number 3. Razer Blade 15 Advanced. This powerful gaming laptop has everything a gamer could wish for. However, within the gaming specs lies also a universe of possibilities for high-performance design software, and Adobe Photoshop is not an exception to them. Although the display could be better, it works just right. The high refresh rate makes it also a great device for video editing, and the high color accuracy, 111% of the sRGB gamut, is what put this laptop on the list in the first place. The battery life is better than some more advanced models, though it also requires to be plugged in for the best performance. It's not as limiting as other models but is also not the best option for portability and working on the go. For sure a great option for avid gamers, creatives, and designers. At number 4. MSI Stealth 15M. This laptop, though marketed towards a more gaming audience, is the perfect combination between style and power, with the latest generation Intel Core i7 processor and one of the latest, and most powerful, graphic cards made by NVIDIA, along with the expandable 16GB of RAM and a clocking max speed of 5.3 GHz, this laptop fits in its slim design a complete beast. Perfect for Adobe Photoshop and any other design software, as well as video editing and content creation. This slim and not as expensive laptop would be the best option for portability if it wasn't for the very limited battery life. A big downside in general, but for that price and specs, the MSI Stealth 15M made it to the list. At number 5. Lenovo Ideapad 3i. The Lenovo Ideapad 3i is the best laptop you could get for under $1,000 that can not only run Adobe Photoshop but that can perform high-end graphic design tasks without giving you any trouble, and the best of this budget model. The battery life is above great for the price. Packed with the latest generation Intel Core i5 processor along with the outstanding graphics card and the expandable RAM, the possibilities for future improvements and better performance are more than clear. Reach your full potential with the Ideapad 3i gaming laptop. Now you can match the pros with a powerful 11th gen Intel Core processor, lifelike NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics, and uninterrupted, ultra-smooth tracking against a full HD IPS display. Run your favorite PC games smoothly, the way they were meant to be enjoyed with NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics, i5-11300H processors, DDR for memory, and M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD storage options. These powerful features ensure that you can run games on high settings so that you will always have the advantage of seeing every detail in your gaming environment. Display, 15.6 FHD, 1920x1080, IPS display processor, Intel Core i5-11300H processor, 4-core, 3.10 GHz based, up to 4.40, 8M cache operating system, Windows 11 home graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 memory, 16GB DDR for RAM audio, Nahimic speaker system storage, 512GB NVMe SSD LAN plus Bluetooth, 11 AX, 2x2 plus BT5.